What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back in another video, and today I'm gonna show you what kind of smart home devices I have on my house. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Make sure to hit that like button below as well so that we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca, and here we go. So first and foremost, we're looking at the Alexa app right here. And basically,
I didn't catch that. Please say that again.
I'm gonna have to stop saying that word. But anyways, without further ado, let's check it out. So right now we're looking at our homepage on Alexa.
Here's a station you might like. 2010's Pop on Amazon Music.
Oh, I'm gonna have to stop saying that. Alexa, stop. But the devices I have here, I have the Echo Show. I have some lights, plugs, switches, cameras as well, my thermostat, locks, and scenes. So those are the devices that I have. So let's break it down. On my basement, what I have is my front door. This townhome opens up on a basement. I don't have an actual basement. It's a townhome where it's half garage and half basement. So therefore it opens up. My front door is on the basement. Same with the garage door. So here we will see basement. I have the front door. On my dining room, so you go up the stairs, you see the dining room. There's lights. So all the lights that I have in this house is Philips Hue. So with Philips Hue, you can change the color of your devices, your lights. You can dim it and whatnot. So that's pretty cool. So now I broke down my stairs to downstairs and then the upstairs because there's two sets of stairs here. On my front door, on the other hand, I have the August lock and the August camera. I think it's the doorbell cam. You can ask Alexa, show your camera. Oh, that's still good enough. Alexa, stop. With August camera, you'll be able to have it connected with the Echo Show, and then it'll show who's, someone doorbells. It'll show it there, or you can ask Alex as well to show who's on the door or what the camera can see. Let's keep going. My garage, I have lights in there. I also have my cue to open up my garage and open and close it, but for some reason it's not working with Alex. I also have lights there, which I had to take off and put it on occupancy sensor as well. So I just took off the smart lights of Philips Hue there and used a normal LED light with an occupancy sensor. So that's why it says master bedroom there, which I put that light now into the master bedroom. On my kitchen, I have, in the kitchen area, there's a lot of lights and they're different bulb. So what happened here is, instead of me buying each bulb, because there's three sets of bulbs in the kitchen, so three on by the sink, three by the oven area there. Instead of buying each bulb, I just bought a switch. So that's why you could see it here. I also installed a Philips Hue light strip. That's why there's a countertop light. There's a kitchen countertop, same thing. Rice cooker. This is a plug as well. Now this is a different way you can do this. You can buy a rice cooker with a built-in Wi-Fi connection, through Alex, or you can use a plug, which I did. A $30 plug. I believe I have an unboxing / review on this, so I'll link this down in the description below. But basically, you can ask Alex to turn on and off whatever the name of your, whatever you name your plug would be. So I put it as rice cooker because there's a rice cooker there that is always pretty much on, and I just tell Alex to turn it off so that it doesn't, it's not on for like the whole night. Now let's move on to the living room. So my living room now has a plug as well, a smart plug, where it turns off all my systems. So for example, I'm away and I'm traveling or something like that, I'm going to work, I can turn this off from my phone, outside of home, and I'll be able to turn that off, and it won't be on the whole night or the whole day. As you could see, there's a echo show on this one as well, and there's light strip on my living room. I have a minimalist standing lamp. I'll link this down in the description below as well, because I built that myself. There's also light strip right below the entertainment system, so right below that I put light strip there as well. And the Christmas tree, there's a plug. Right now it's being used for a portable air condition, so it's not a fan or something like that. It's not being used as a Christmas tree, but its name was Christmas tree because when Christmas comes, it was used for the Christmas tree. Living room, master bedroom. Master bedroom is pretty easy. I have lights there, like I said earlier. Office is this area right here. So this place has lights above as well. It's all Philips Hue, like I said earlier. And then the stairs have Philips Hue as well. And that's really it. The other stuff that I want to show you is, I think I didn't mention, is the thermostat. So the thermostat I use right now is Nest. I think Nest is pretty cool. They've been around in the business for a long time, so I like using Nest, and I already know how to configure it and all that stuff, so I like that better. And yeah, that's it. So pretty much the whole house, when I go home, it turns on all the lights. When a certain time of the day, of course, if it was sunset, it'll turn on as well. Or at the same time, when I leave the house, it would turn off all the lights as well. There's a lot of things that I want to add in the future as well for this smart home to be added, like maybe a motorized blinds or motorized curtains. There's a lot of things, but for the most part, this is pretty basic smart home stuff. So for me right now, I think it's good enough. There's a lot of things as well that I don't use, that is not connected to the phone, but still a smart feature, like auto shut off fan, or also occupancy sensors on all my bathrooms, so you can just come and go whatever you want. Closets as well. There's a lot of ways that you can use smart home to your advantage, so that you don't have to do the extra work in and around the house. And there's also benefits as well. You save energy, and you don't tend to leave devices or appliances on all the time, so that's pretty cool. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully I was able to help you with the smartphones or the smart home devices that give you an idea, so that you can use this on your home as well. If you have more ideas, comment this below as well, so that I can use it as well for this house as well. I hope you guys staying safe out there. I know it's we're all open now, good and dandy, but make sure to always sanitize your hands, wash your hands, cover your face, and I'll see you next time. Peace.